Well, we're back. It's been a while since being out on here because of the terrible weather that we've had recently. Just constant rain. Constant rain. So it's always been a bit too wet to get and mow. But I did put some liquid fertiliser and some seaweed out on here earlier this week. Probably splicing a bit of footage from the camera, but all in all, the grass is coming through very nice. It just needs cutting, get some leaves off. Quite nice underfoot. Just pointed in this area here. Oh, look, can you see? That's one of the buggers that enjoys digging up my lawn to iron his nuts, aren't you? Anyway, yeah, this side we did put some seed in, some compost. We have got some new growth there, but not as much as I would like. So I don't know if that needs a bit more root zone going down or not, but anyway, we'll see. Overall, it's nice. Just need to get all these bits of twigs and stuff out. So I'll probably walk over first, pick up as much as I can. It's a boring job, need to get my headphones on, and then go on with the hater, and then go on with the cylinder mower. So yeah, and then over onto that side, which is a bit damper, but yeah, we'll do some work on that. The back garden, absolutely atrocious this time of year. It does take a while for it to sort out, but yeah. So down this side we see some growth here because we did a bit of extra overseeding and compost laying around here. But yeah, we'll see where we're at. I'll put my shoes on. There we go. You can see holes. But anyway, pick up some bits, go from there. Put my shoes on as well. Sliders on. See, been around with a rake quickly. Reason being is the hater, the suction on it it's not the best. So go around with a rake, try and get most of it up. It's also lifted some of the grass heads up, you know, the grass leaves, so we can get a better cut hopefully. And also, the wife's in bed. She's been on the night shift working again, so she works for the NHS, so she needs to sleep. So yeah, she does a fantastic job there. But I've got most of it up. Obviously there's some bits kicking around that I've missed. Case in point, there's a couple of bits, but I can go over it with a hater shortly, and yeah, if there's anything left over, we can always pick them up, go over again with a rake, and yeah, then go on with the cylinder. But I'm very impressed. Oh, that's not very impressive, is it? Not the birds, the squirrels, that. But yeah, I'm very impressed with the how dry it is. You know, it's damp underfoot, but it's not. So I walked across the grass there, and there's barely any wetness from the footprint, so it's looking good. It's filling in. Like I said, I did give it a feed the other day with some liquids, some of the ICL stuff, some seaweed and some bio tonic green from Angus Amenities from my guys at Greencare in Ormskirk. He's just got married recently, so congratulations. Hope you've enjoyed your honeymoon. And get back because I want to know when you get some more seaweed in. But I think we'll give this one a cut first with the cylinder because it needs it, and it's far away from the bedroom, so we can do it without upsetting the wife. I don't like cutting it when it's damp at all. It's muddy and you chew up the grass up here and it's just not nice and I don't like it. But if you can see, sun's out. Get behind the sun. Did that on a number 2. It's alright then, isn't it? Reasonable. Only reasonable. That's why I like summer. I don't like winter at all. At all. Why no? Ooh, I like autumn. No, horrible, mate. Horrible in the UK. I've got a sweat on as well now. But there, that looks good. So don't look too bad from there. But it's when you get up close. Get up close and see some of the damage that's been done. So a couple of holes in that area there from the squirrels, a couple in the middle. See the tracks from the wheels. It's just roll on spring and summer 2024. So as it stands now, should I I'll do a few passes down the side there. I think I might be able to get away with that while she's in bed. Let's see. Interlude then. Went in, made the wife a brew, some toast. But yeah, come out. Yeah, it's looking good. It's thickening up. The more you mow, the more it'll grow. Is that for a motto? But yeah, I'm happy with the way it's not retaining water here. But again, you can see these bits here with a hater just isn't creating a strong enough suction in order to pull some of the bits and pieces up. Overall, don't know if you can hear the neighbours, got them all out too. Bit of turning damage here, it's a lot better down here. It does still hold big puddles of water, but it's not as bad. And this is good. I mean, we're in October now, and recently we've seen a few flowers on the apple tree, which is pretty. It's getting in the way a bit when I mow. Back to the grass, but yeah, down here, it's not really took up as much as I wanted. But from a distance, it looks good. It's not as dark as the other one. But yeah, so let's get the cylinder on it, and I think we'll go right to left, left to right, and see how it does. pause in activities then. Battery is terrible on this phone, but anyway, in that, while the battery's been charging, I've put a little bit of weed killer down on some of the flags right around the front, trying to avoid walking on them. Yeah, got some some tartan going on there. So I'm happy with today's proceedings. So I hope it stays dry for the rest of the week. Might be able to get another cut in. But all in all, well, yeah, weed kill around here, around these bits, are best not stand on there. Obviously trees dropping already. The challenges that we have when we've got all these oak trees. But yeah, it needs to thicken up, fill out. But at the minute we're stuck in autumn, aren't we? Some lucky loos over there. But yeah. It'll fill in. It'll look good, and then it'll look as good as that one. Let's see if we can get that tartan stripe again. Yeah, down at the back is looking good. Yeah, that's it for another one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Almost at 100 now. So yeah, thanks for everyone watching my little videos about my lawn. Enjoy your weekend. Time to put the NFL on now, I think. Oh, it's looking alright, that's in it. It's looking good. Until next time.